It gives me great pleasure to be here today. As I was traveling to Larkano for the inauguration of the National Institute for Cardiovascular Diseases here, I realized there was little else I would rather do. I'm so pleased that Larkano was chosen as a home for this state-of-the-art facility, given how close it is to my heart individually and how important it is to the Pakistan People's Party. Larkano has given more sacrifices and shed more blood than should have been required. The people of this inimitable land seem to be born infused with the spirit of giving. That we are able to give back to this land that has given us so much is a matter of great pride for me. My grandfather, Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, first began giving back to this land when he opened the Chandka Medical College and Hospital in 1973. At a time when such medical facilities existed only in large cities, this visionary breakthrough served the people of the Greater Larkana region and adjoining areas of Punjab and Balochistan. We have taken forth his mission by increasing the capacity of the hospital through expansion and upgradation. The Pakistan People's Party prides itself on always recognizing healthcare as one of its major priorities. In her message to young people to whom the mantle of leadership would pass, my leader, my mother, Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, tasked them to focus on education and on health. And taking her words as our guiding light, we have concentrated our efforts on these two sectors. I'm happy to say that our hard work is showing great results. It was Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto who saw the need for lady health workers as a means for healthcare to reach every doorstep. This phenomenal program allowed us to spread the web of healthcare more extensively than we thought possible. And the Sindh government took forth the program by regularizing all the lady health workers. We believe strongly that while infrastructure development needs to be a focus for the government, our true purpose must be human development. To this end, we have invested our efforts towards providing healthcare through various endeavors, including but not limited to upgradation of hospitals and trauma centers, establishment of cardiac centers, expansion of women and children's hospitals, provision of ambulances and other facilities, introducing safer transfusion methods, and unequivocally supporting projects like the SIUT and NICVD. And it's so rewarding when we see our hard work paying off like it is today. The NICVD has done great work by providing state-of-the-art services to the people of Larkana. Earlier, there was no such service between Karachi and Lahore, and people had to suffer as they traveled to Karachi along with their families, often spending money they could not afford. I have learned that the facilities now being provided in Larkana are free for all patients. I am told that currently this facility is providing primary angioplasty, pediatric cardiology, and echo services. Upon completion of the new building, a range of services will be provided, including cardiac surgery. I must congratulate the team since 100 primary angioplasty procedures have already been done post the soft opening. It goes a long way to show the grit and determination of this team and the person heading it, that positive results are already visible for all. I'm confident that this number will now increase substantially, and the people of Larkana will continue to benefit from NICVD. It has come to my knowledge that a similar service is also being started in Tando Mohammad Khan, Sakhar, Savan, Nawab Shah, Khairpur, and Mirpur Khas. I must appreciate the government of Sindh for taking the initiative of providing quality, affordable health care to the people of these areas. I challenge the chief ministers of Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to show us a program like this, where state-of-the-art cardiac facilities, including primary angioplasty, are provided free of cost at the doorstep to everyone living in the province. It is a source of great pride to know that the NICVD has transformed itself in the last 2.5 years, and today it stands as the world's largest center for heart attack angioplasty. This is no small feat and has required utmost dedication and hard work. We must never forget that a healthy nation is a happy nation, and it is heartening to see the NICVD team working to ensure that. The fact that the NICVD provides several life-saving treatment modalities, including much-needed pediatric cardiac surgery, free of cost, is testament to the Sindh's government's wholehearted commitment to serve the people indiscriminately. It is gratifying that the Sindh government is working tirelessly to fulfill the vision of Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. We have seen the Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto Trauma Center in Karachi, the Gumbat Institute of Medical Sciences, ambulance services in Thatta and Sajawal as but a few examples of the government's efforts bearing fruit. It is my dream also to serve the people of Pakistan, irrespective of caste, creed, color, and financial standing. It is my dream that every individual in this country has access to state-of-the-art medical care so that not one life is lost because they could not afford health care. It is my dream, nay my belief, that together we can cultivate an egalitarian society based on the principles of parity, equitable justice, tolerance and acceptance, service and sacrifice. I once again want to say bravo to the government of Sindh, especially to the Chief Minister, for this magnificent effort. I am confident that it will provide much needed relief to the people, and I hope that a similar effort is also launched in other specialities of medicine. I must take this opportunity to talk about something that is surely weighing on the minds of the people of Pakistan today. The disqualification of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif by the Supreme Court of Pakistan. The judgment by the Supreme Court requires adherence by us all. However, we must also strive to address the ailment and not the symptom. The Pakistan People's Party believes that accountability must be impartial and exhaustive, and seeks to do so by introducing legislation for across-the-board accountability. It is time for us all to put Pakistan first and ourselves later. If that means sacrificing for the greater good, then be it. Sadly, Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif did not share this sentiment. However, I must categorically say that his removal poses no threat to either the Parliament or to the democracy for which we have made innumerable sacrifices. I thank you for this opportunity to address you and wish you good luck in this very worthy endeavor. Thank you very much.
Chairman People's Party Balavel Bhutto Zerdari National Institute of Cardiovascular Disease की इफ्तिताही तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे और उनका कहना था कि सेहत के शोबे में बेहतरी लाना पीपल्स पार्टी की तरजीहात में शामिल है।